Okay, right there is Lisboa, Grand Lisboa. There's Grand Lisboa right there. And we're just gonna film on this street, walking down this way, just a kind of a short one, and just highlight all the stuff around here, including Central Hotel, which is right here. So stay tuned. Little raindrops already. Okay, there we go. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so that's Lisboa, Grand Lisboa, and then this is Hotel Centros right there, and then there's also Grand Emperor Hotel. So there's a couple of hotels, currency exchange. What we're gonna do is just walk down the street. Getting rain there on this rainy evening. I thought I'd highlight this side because I don't think I walk on this side that often. For one, watches, things like that, cameras, iPhones. And this is called Avenida do Infante, Henrique. Got some restaurants here. You can see another money exchange place. Those are all the currencies right there. Some jeans. I'm just gonna walk straight down this way. So we see Oriental Watch Company. I'm gonna walk down Rolex. So right now it's a Friday evening, so a lot of people are just getting out of work right now. Look, Fook jewelry over there. Kind of interesting building. New Johan department store. Like the Pedro Jose Lobo. These are streets of doctors. There's Dr. Lobo, which is this one, and over there, Dr. Soares. There's Macau Square. We're gonna keep on walking though. More jewelry shops. There's kind of a few number of hotels here, but this is also kind of central as well. So, a lot of locals, but tourists come down here to go to Senado Square, down in that direction. So walk in that direction ourselves. Another pharmacy right here. Famous. So I guess that's a department store of some kind selling bags. Shoe shop. Other shoes, Adidas, Reebok. Okay. Oops. This beautiful one. So I guess we're gonna keep on walking, but we could just keep. Oh, there's a ladder way up there. Like a fire escape at the top of that thing up there. It's interesting. Okay, so I think what we might do is just end this one right in this area. Outdoor Banco. So that's the one that we just came down. So we basically just came directly down that one, and then and we're gonna end it right in that spot. Oh wait, got a green light. Go a little bit further. Nice tree-lined street all the way down that way. Avenida de Praia Grande. So we're crossing the. This separates what used to be the larger road from the smaller road. Sorry, from the to separate. Let's see. This was all traditional old Macau, and then this is all the new side of Macau on that side. So this right here would separate what was Macau on one side and what was not Macau on the other side. Ocean. Sorry. A little bit distracted. A lot of people around. We're just gonna walk a little bit further, and then Senado Square is up this way. Don't know if it's worth going up to or not, but we'll definitely walk in that direction anyways. There's a post office to the right there. It's the post office. And there's a Jollibee, which is right there, up there. Filipino fast food restaurant. I think what we'll do, maybe we'll just end this video in this spot. That's Square. That's Cathedral Cafe. I have filmed the street quite a bit, so I have walked into that spot quite a bit as well already. And then we'll just end it right there.